You can make ice cream. Hey, Tim. What are you doing today?
Hi, Mom. I'm bored. Can we do something fun?
How about we make something in the kitchen?
Like what?
You can make ice cream.
Really? That sounds awesome. How do we do it?
It's easy. We just need some milk, sugar, and your favorite fruit.
Can we use strawberries?
Of course, strawberries are perfect for this. First, we need to get all our ingredients and equipment. Let's see. We need a mixing bowl, a blender.
Can we eat it?
Not yet. We need to freeze it for a while.
Oh, okay. I can't wait to taste it.
It will be worth the wait, I promise. He is younger than I am. Lily, do you know your cousin Jake is coming over today?
Oh, really? I haven't seen him in a long time. I'm excited.
Yes, it will be fun. Remember, he is younger than you are, so be nice to him.
I know, Mom. He is younger than I am, but he's really smart. I remember he always has interesting things to say.
That's right. He loves playing games, too. Maybe you can play together.
Sure, I'll let him choose the game. He loves soccer. I think he's already better at soccer than I am. I'll also bring my board games. Maybe after soccer, we can play something quieter.
That's a good idea, Lily. I'm sure he'll enjoy spending time with you. I am afraid I have to go. Tom, how was your day at school today? Did you learn anything new?
It was good, Mom. We had a really exciting lesson about dinosaurs.
That sounds interesting. Do you want to tell me more about it?
I would love to, but I have plans to meet my friend Mike soon. We're going to play soccer together, and I don't want to be late.
Oh, I see. Well, we can talk about dinosaurs later.
I'm really sorry, Mom. I'm afraid I have to go now, or I'll be late to meet Mike. He's probably already waiting for me.
That's okay, Tom. Have fun playing soccer. Just don't forget to come home before dinner.
I won't forget. Thanks, Mom. I'll tell you all about the dinosaurs when I get back.
I'll be looking forward to hearing all about it. Have a great time playing soccer with Mike. Enjoy your game. It's good to know. Where are you going? I'm going to the supermarket to buy things during the big sale. Is there a big sale in the supermarket? Right. Don't you know? I saw a lot of advertisements for this sales program. Oh, I didn't know that. It's good to know. I will probably buy a lot of things because there are a lot of discounted goods. I also love to hunt for sales. It can save me a lot of money. Exactly. Do you want to go with me? Sure. That's great to have someone to go with. Me too. You must have a huge family. I was just looking at the family photo album, and I realized how many pictures we have. There are so many memories captured here.
I love looking at those photos, Mom. We have a big family.
There are so many birthdays and holidays to celebrate. It feels like there's always something happening. It's always busy around here.
You're right. With all the aunts, uncles, and cousins, it's like we have a party every weekend.
You must have a huge family, Kelly. When I first met your mom, I was surprised by how many people came to family dinners.
It's true. Every time we have a family gathering, it feels like there are so many people around. It's always a big event. It really is fun, though. Despite the chaos, it's wonderful to have so many family memories to share special moments with.
I think it's nice, too. Big families have lots of love and support. I have a surprise for you.
Sarah, can you come here for a moment?
Sure, Dad. What is it that you need?
I have a special surprise for you today.
A surprise? Oh, I'm so curious. What is it?
Before I show you, please close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed. I can't wait to see what it is.
Now you can open your eyes.
Wow, a new bike! This is amazing! Thank you so much, Dad.
You're very welcome, Sarah. I remember you said you wanted a new bike, so I decided to get you one.
This is the best surprise ever! I can't believe it! It's exactly what I wanted. Can we go for a ride now? I'm so excited to try it out.
Yes, let's go. Let's go explore the park. I heard there's a new trail we can check out.
That sounds great! Lead the way.
Mike likes dogs. I saw you were playing with the neighbor's dog earlier. Do you like dogs?
I do, Mom! They're so cute and fun to play with. Mike likes dogs even more than I do, though.
Really? I didn't know that Mike likes dogs. Does he want to have one?
Yes, he talks about dogs all the time. He even has a list of names for his future dog.
That's sweet. Maybe one day we can think about getting a dog for him for his birthday. Mike would be so happy.
I'm sure he would.
But remember, having a dog is a big responsibility. We all need to help take care of it.
I know, Mom. I think Mike and I would do a great job taking care of a dog.
Let's talk to Dad about it and see what he thinks.
Good idea.
I'm on a diet.
Honey, I brought home some donuts. Do you want one?
Thanks, Dad. But I'm on a diet.
Oh, I didn't know you were on a diet. Why are you on a diet?
I want to eat healthier and get fit. I've been eating more fruits and vegetables instead of sweets.
That's great, Emma. I'm proud of you for making healthy choices. But it's okay to have a treat once in a while.
I know, but I'm trying to stay strong. Maybe I'll have one later in the week.
How about I join you on this diet? We can eat healthy together.
Really, Dad? That would be awesome. We can make healthy meals and snacks together.
We can start by making a big salad for dinner tonight. How does that sound?
That sounds perfect. Thanks, Dad.
Anytime, Emma.